Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome to another Get Gone video. We've come a short ride out from Nuneaton today to a canal-side cafe at Sutton Cheney, to the Sutton Wharf, is it called?
I think it's Sutton Wharf,
yeah.
Sutton Cheney Wharf.
We've got some company today. We've got our two daughters there in the background. So we've come for a bit of lunch. Let's go and see what we've got. Hello girls, ready for some lunch?
Right.
Yeah. Parking's all sorted, Rach?
All done.
How much?
£2.80.
£2.80, can't be bad. Let's get in then. So there's your parking charges. You can pay by phone or you can pay at this machine here. We all right here?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Good, isn't it? Look
Sitting
at this.
by the water.
Beautiful.
Very nice.
Very nice. Anna's afraid of the swan, so she's had to sit by the water.
No, I'm not afraid of the swan. I just said I'm going to sit this side, so the swan attacks you first.
Oh, thank you.
No.
We'll get some menus, Rach.
You need a drink and food, please. I think there might be a long wait today with everybody that's here.
There's a lot of people here, aren't there?
Yeah.
Madam.
Thank you.
Madam.
Down there as well.
Sir.
Inside.
This is just drinks and cakes.
Yeah, I know. There's one of each. There's two of each. Sorry. There's two of each.
Right, there we go. Cakes and drinks, scones, cakes, coffee,
You're going to be able to.
cold drinks, ice milk drinks, teas, fruit teas, hot chocolates. Look, you can get a beer or spirit, glass of wine, and here's the food menu. Chicken burger, courgette and feta salad, bacon, lettuce, tomato, goujon cob, boatman's burger, homemade quiche, fish and chips, ploughman's salad, and some sides. I see that they did like a smoothie, like I had the other day at the party rooms. I can't see it on there. If not, it don't matter. I don't want a milkshake, but I wouldn't mind like a...
No, they don't.
Nothing. I'm going to have a ploughman's salad anyway.
You're having a
That's what I'm
ploughman's
going
salad.
for. Yep, all day long. Gosh.
I'm going to have the quiche, I think. I'm going to have the quiche.
Quiche, Hannah?
Quiche.
Boatman's burger sounds alright.
Whatever. Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that what you're having?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rach, what do you think you're having?
I'm gonna have the BLT.
Okay.
BLT. Any sides or anything? I don't want anything.
Well, mine comes with chips, so we can share the chips.
Okay. Righto. The fish and chips looks good, by the way. Although we're not having it.
I
Right,
still need to
come
pick
on
that up. What do you want to drink?
If they haven't got a smoothie, I will have just a Coke Zero, please. What's your drink, Anne?
I think I'll have a Coke Zero.
I'm going to have a lemonade.
Thank you.
Spritz?
Cheers.
Bateman's burger as well.
Oh, Lindsay.
Yum, yum, yum.
I've got homemade quiche, potato and apple salad, and soy salad.
Do you know what flavour it is?
No, didn't
you
ask. No, didn't ask.
It's nice.
You
Smells
ask
good.
what flavour the quiche was.
No.
Let's have a look at your burger then, Hannah. Let's get in there. Look at that. Some chutney on there. Is it chutney?
Yeah, well, onion jam.
Onion jam.
Onion jam. Nice big fat burger, that is, look. Woohoo. And nice homemade. Oh, them chips look good. So I have got a ploughman's salad. Bit of salad. Nice soft boiled eggs. Nice bit of ham. Some Branston pickle and probably that chili, that jam. What's it
Onion
called?
jam.
Onion jam.
Thanks so much.
Great big pickled onion.
Oh, great.
Half a pork pie. Some nice crusty bread and butter. Oh, and a chunk of cheese.
Oh, there you go.
Whoa, Rachel.
Yum.
Lift the lid off. Let's have a look inside. Bacon, what is it?
Bacon, lettuce, tomato.
Lettuce, tomato, mayo.
What is it?
Nice.
Clues in the name.
You found out what it is yet?
No, but I think it's cheese and chive.
have a
It's
look.
lovely. It is nice.
There's little bits of chive in there. Looks
Yeah,
nice.
it's
Yeah,
lovely.
good. So, while we get stuck into this, let's have a look round. How was your quiche?
It was lovely. Very tasty.
Yep.
Yep.
We ain't left much, have we? No. Or Rachel, your toast. Oh dear.
I don't like burnt bread.
Little
Don't
bit
really like
burnt.
anything burnt, to be honest.
Little bit burnt inside, yeah?
Yeah, they turned it in so I wouldn't do it
Yeah.
until I bit it.
It had what it went in for.
Burger hand.
Yeah, it's really nice actually. It's
Yeah.
really, really tasty.
Good, 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 good. And mine
Well, you ain't left much of yours either.
was delicious. I mean, it's not the cheapest place in the world, is it? But it's quality stuff. Really is.
Cooked fresh.
Yeah, well, yeah, but also the ingredient, the stuff on mine was lovely. Like proper, not rubbish. Shall we go?
Yep.
We've got one more thing to do though.
What's that?
Ice cream. Right outside the door of the cafe, we've got this on a boat. I'll have a scoop of rum and raisin, please.
I don't know if to have cookie dough biscotti or raspberry cheesecake.
Big
Sorry,
decisions,
William, you
Hannah. Big decisions.
We're all doing cones, yeah?
Yeah, please.
Or one scoop, yeah?
Yeah.
Can we
One's
have,
enough for me.
we want 4 1-scoop cones, please.
Go on then, Rachel. What flavour?
Raspberry cheesecake.
Ooh, Hannah.
I've gone for the cookie dough biscotti.
Nice. Rum and raisin.
Macchiato, cappuccino, it's coffee ice cream. If you do come here, you can do a nice walk. I mean, this is where we are, and then you walk along the side and go through the forest bit, comes out. There's an area here for the battlefield, but then you can come all the way around it, and I think you come back through here and get back on the canal and walk all the way around. You can do like a circular tour, and it takes you about 40 minutes to
Yeah, it's
walk
a nice,
it.
just a nice little walk.
It's just a
innit?
nice little walk, but we haven't done it today, I must admit, we haven't done it.
The Bosworth, is it the Bosworth Trail? It's called.
Yes,
I think
it
known
is
as.
something like that.
There's lots of different sort of pointers on the way and through the woods and
Yeah,
everything.
there's, I mean, you can make
Little
it, you can go
historical
right up
things.
to the top and round, but that's the main entrance into Bosworth Battle Heritage Centre, like the
Yeah.
site. The station's there. I don't know where, that's King Richard's Field, but we've literally walked this route before.
Yeah.
And then come back
And then
down
back
onto
the other side of the canal.
And then come back down to here.
Yeah. Nice walk. Are we all in?
Yeah.
Yep.
So there you have it, Sutton Wharf at Sutton Cheney. Lovely place to come for an afternoon.
Absolutely lovely on a nice summer's afternoon, watching the boats go by. We've had some lovely food. Well, apart from a little bit of burnt toast, but we can live with that. It's absolutely lovely.
Some nice ice cream.
Nice
yeah.
ice
Some lovely
cream,
ice
yeah.
cream.
And if you want, as Lindsay said earlier, you can have a nice little walk around the Bosworth Trail after if you want to. So, but yeah, that's us done anyway.
It is.
So, thanks for watching.
And let's get going.
Girls.
Let's get going.
Yes, thank you. We'll see you next time.
Soon. Bye.